Hello guys, Virgin here. The NeoRuler, developed by Hozo Design, is a groundbreaking digital measuring tool designed to reinvent how professionals and creators approach precision. This innovative device merges traditional scale functionality with smart technology, offering users a modular platform ideal for architects, engineers, designers, and anyone with a passion for accuracy. The NeoRuler features a segmented LED strip that provides a visual guide for measurements, along with a 1.14-inch full-color LCD screen that displays real-time measurement data, scale conversions, and custom settings. Its sliding pointer allows users to trace and measure distances on drawings or objects, with digital feedback instantly shown on the screen. One of its most impressive capabilities is its support for 93 built-in scales, including 52 US standard and 41 metric formats. Users can also create custom scales ranging from 1:100,000 to 100,000:1. This versatility ensures that the NeoRuler can adapt to projects requiring both microscopic detail and large-scale planning. Supported units include millimeters, centimeters, meters, inches, feet, yards, miles, and kilometers, making it suitable for global applications. A quick note for my retention and fast-tracking audience. Excited to try the NeoRuler and elevate your creative precision? Check out Amazon Store and own this cutting-edge tool. Link in the description. Much appreciation. The NeoRuler's smart functions extend further with the space divider feature, which divides any length into equal parts, from 2 to 12 segments, using LED indicators, a boon for layout design, spacing, and proportional planning. Its Bluetooth connectivity allows for seamless integration with the Measure app, enabling users to create floor plans, overlay measurements on photographs, and export data in formats such as JPG, PDF, XLS, and DXF. This device's functionality expands even more through optional accessories like the Neo Caliper Kit, which transforms the ruler into a digital caliper suitable for measuring object dimensions. The Neo Drafting Kit includes a holder for pens or styluses, allowing users to draw lines directly while tracking lengths in real time. The Neo Reading Kit enhances visual clarity with a magnifier and pointer for inspecting fine details. A premium leather case also adds style and protection for portability. In real-world scenarios, the NeoRuler shines in architectural drafting, product design, and DIY projects, offering high accuracy at plus or minus 0.004 inches or plus or minus 0.1 millimeters. Powered by an ARM Cortex-M4 MCU and equipped with a 4096 magnetic encoder, the device maintains precision across varying surfaces and tasks. Its battery life is robust, featuring a 900 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery that supports up to 12 hours of continuous use, 14 days of moderate usage, and an impressive 180 days of standby time. Constructed with aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and polycarbonate materials, it weighs approximately 184 grams for the standard version and 290 grams when used with the caliper kit. While the NeoRuler offers tremendous versatility and build quality, it does come with a slight learning curve for first-time users. Total package include the NeoRuler Standard Edition, Neo Caliper Premium Combo Kit, and M-Cube add-on, a laser measuring module. The NeoRuler is more than a measuring device. It is a smart ecosystem that elevates precision and efficiency across a variety of disciplines. Thanks for supporting.